everybody, welcome back to this awesome channel. Today we have an incredible video in store for you guys, one that I've never done, and I'm really excited to be in the kitchen with you guys today in my element. I think that's important on this channel too, because it's not just about podcasting, sitting down, it's about showing you hands-on the tools that make this lifestyle the best, the recipes, and just how to make it fun and easy. In honor of Nama having a massive sale right now, their biggest sale ever, I'll put that link down below so you guys can save $85. I don't think they've ever done one this big. I wanted to show you guys everything you can do with this machine. So I never see anybody doing that, and people ask me all the time. So there's 3 different huge things you can make with the Nama J2 juicer, and I'm going to show you just that. It's not just juice, but let's first start with a juice. So I want to let you guys know it does make incredible juice output, absolutely amazing. And it's very easy to use and very easy to clean. People ask me that all the time. And it has a 15-year warranty. So it's a great company that really has your back if something goes wrong. You know it's a quality product that's gonna last a long time. So let's show you guys how it works. I've whipped up a quick green recipe here. Green juices are absolutely my favorite. And my friend Lou Corona, if you guys watch him on the channel, he's in his 70s and he's been drinking green juice every day for 51 years. And the proof is in the pudding. Look how amazing he looks. He's so energetic, so full of life, and I want to be like that when I'm in my 70s. So this recipe I've whipped up is celery, cucumber, a little bit of ginger, a lime, and some green apple. So just in my life, simplicity is key with the plant foods. And I just don't think we have to overcomplicate things. But feel free to get creative. You can also add in a little bit of spice to green juice recipes. I like how Yaki adds in a little bit of cayenne pepper after. That really gives green juices a nice kick. Okay, look at that, you guys. Look at the color in there. Absolutely amazing. Nothing makes me feel better than fresh green juice. Oh my gosh, it's just so incredible. So look at that. You can't get better quality. I mean, obviously use whatever juicer you can afford, but if this is in your budget, I highly, highly, highly recommend it because it's just such pure, incredible quality. It's not loaded with just like pulp and foam like some of the other juicers out there. So there we go. And then next up, actually first, before we get to the next thing, I'll just show you how easy it is to take apart before I clean it. So you just go like that, you pull this part off, then you take the inside off to rinse, and then this off to rinse, and then rinse the bottom, and it's that easy, you guys. And now I'm gonna show you, in case you didn't know, how easy it is to put back together, because I think what stops a lot of people from juicing is they think machines are just so difficult to use, and I get that, because some of the old school machines absolutely were, and I felt the exact same way. But what I love about this is it's really easy. That's why I see it everywhere on social media. So look, you just go like this, and then you match it up and put it in right there, put the inside in right there, and then ta-da, and we're done. So you guys, you cannot get easier than that. And next up, we're gonna show you how to make one of my favorite things that this machine does. So it does nut milk, and many people do not realize that. So if you guys, Nama also has a nut milk maker. Right here we have over here the M1. But if you don't have that and it's not within your budget, then you can still make pretty decent, good quality nut milk in the J2. So you're gonna wanna soak your almonds overnight. So for this recipe, I just use 1 cup of soaked almonds and 4 cups of filtered water. So I rinsed the almonds before I put them in the bowl, and then this is 4 fresh cups of water. A lot of people like to do sweetener in their almond milk, so feel free to add a date or 2 dates or some vanilla extract or whatever you want for sweetener. I just like to do it unsweetened now. So you just take your ladle and you pick up some water and almonds at the same time, and you filter it into the machine, and then it creates almond milk. It's so cool, but make sure you get the water and the almonds at the same time, otherwise you will just have really thick cement coming out, you guys, because that's what I did the first time. I was like, oh my gosh, why isn't it working? So look at this, you guys. You want to see it come out? Look at this, check it out. Ta-da! And we have almond milk. So exciting. So fresh is always best. That's why I'm showing you guys these demos, because I really encourage people, no matter what their lifestyle, even if you're not a raw vegan or vegan, like let's just get making anything we can fresh in the kitchen, whole foods in the kitchen, because who knows how long a lot of that stuff on the shelf has been sitting, and it's just fun to make it fresh. And these days it's so quick and easy. You guys saw how long that took. So now for the pour, and then this usually stores in the fridge for about 3 days. I always try and drink it like as soon as possible after for maximum freshness, but 3 days is pretty good, and there's so many different things you can use with it. Smoothies, smoothie bowls, people who drink coffee or different warm teas or things like that, you can add it into there. And you can make many different kinds of milk. You don't have to just make almond milk. You can do cashew milk or other milks as well. And let's get on to the last but not least, one of my favorite things, my kids' favorite thing that we can do in this machine as well. And oh, also, I know I showed you guys the juices, But along with juices, keep in mind too, you can do the wellness shots. So even though I didn't demo those, you can do wellness shots in this as well. So you really get a good bang for your buck doing so many things in the one machine. So next up, we're gonna make a sorbet. So this is actually an additional attachment you have to get on the website if you wanna make the sorbet, but I highly recommend it. I think you get a lot of use out of this. And it's just a better way to make clean ice cream style food. And it's just so much healthier. So it's just a different insert right here. So this is our juicing insert. We're gonna put this to the side so we can use the sorbet one. And it's super easy to put back together, just the same way as I showed you guys before. You can see it takes no time at all, and I am not technically inclined, so if I can do this easy, you guys can do it too. And many of you watching probably already have the machine. I know so many of you guys do. And thanks for using my codes and supporting me. I appreciate it so much. So for this, we only need just the 1 cup, and we just need to use it on the one side. So I take out my frozen fruit about 5 to 10 minutes before preparing the sorbet. And then look at this. So here we're gonna use a recipe of pineapple, mango, papaya, and banana. And isn't it great? People always comment when they come over how quiet the machine is. So the old school machines, or some of the machines still, we'd never be able to film and create something in it because it would just literally be so loud. So it's almost calming using this machine and creating things. Like I literally feel calmer when I do it versus some machines that are like, rah, so loud and kind of make you feel stressed out. So we're gonna just filter in the fruit. I like to just do it one by one and then wait till you guys see it come out. It's so exciting. Look at that, you guys. Italian shop like gelato, all from a juicer. I think it's exciting. I think it's amazing. And then I just get like an ice cream scooper off Amazon, cute little bowls, and then you have an exciting little dessert dish. Yay, isn't our sorbet? Look at it, so beautiful. It's just so rewarding making these things, and there's so many limitless different recipes you can make with the sorbet or with the milks or with the juices, everything under the sun. So you'll definitely get your money's worth, and for 15 years, you know you're good, so you can't beat that. So pick one up today. I'll put the code, all the information down below. Thanks for supporting your girl. If you have any other questions about the Nama or recipes or juicing, let me know. And I have a brand new ebook coming soon for the summer. I'm so excited, you guys. And so much good content. Chef Babette is in the kitchen with us. Dr. Robert Morris coming. Many amazing ones. So stay tuned. Be sure to subscribe. Love you guys. See you in the next one.